Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches and welcome to a double unboxing video. This one brought to you by my buddy Noor. He is a subscriber to the channel and he reached out to me and he wanted to see if I wanted to review a couple of his watches, and it's because of guys like Noor and other people that help support my channel by reaching out to me and saying, hey, Bobby Legs, do you want to review these couple of watches? I really so appreciate that, guys. Spidey flick. Oh, it's off camera. Anyway, I am going to be opening the box with this Spyderco Para 3 that I got from DLT Trading. They had a sprint run of this one, and I've been fidgeting with this knife for the good part of the last couple of days, and even so, I was on a conference call at work, and nobody from my work heard it, but I was in the other room, and my wife came in, Mrs. Legs, and she was like, "What is that sound?" She's like, she thought something was wrong with the fridge, but it was just me fidgeting with the knife. Okay, that was bad. Anyway, so let's see what Noor's got in here. He's got a little note here. Okay, awesome, awesome. Right. So here we go. Now he's got the Seiko here. Now I think this is the SBDC053. This is the first time I've seen one of these or handled one of these. Let's just say, and so I'm very excited about that. Okay, cool, very nice. Typical box. Yeah, I saw some pictures online. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nice, man. Holy mackerel. This is sweet. He's got it wrapped up here. Okay. I'll just leave it in the wrapper for now. But look at that. Look at that rubber strap. Oh man. It's like got that waffle contouring to it. Nice blue dial. The hour hands, and it kind of almost, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera, but it almost looks like a patinaed look, a fall patinaed look to this 200 meters. Oh man, this is a beautiful looking watch, man. Oops. Let me put this on wrist. Oh yeah. My buddy Amin has one like this. I don't know if it's a 200. It might be, but it's got the more of a gilt look. Oh, this is a good looking watch, man. Wow. All right, man. I'm really excited. This may be my new favorite Seiko diver, to be honest. I mean, I really dig the Sumo, but that is a really good looking watch. Okay, and now here we go with the Steinhart. Now this is the vintage military look, militaire. Oh yeah, yeah. No, these watches. I mean, I have a Squale that's similar with a similar look, and I paired it up with a army green NATO, and it just looks freaking awesome on that NATO. Let me put this guy on. Yeah, yeah. This is good. You know, I'm gonna be doing a video on a Steinhart watch that I've had, and I actually posted it and then had to take it down because there was an issue with it. But that's just my experience. I mean, I know a lot of people have great experiences with Steinhart, and I'm sure mine was just a one-off. But let's get that look in here. Oh yeah, very nice, Nora. Very nice. Couple of watches he sent in. I look forward to. My neighbor has the Squale that looks just like this, so I'll just ask him to borrow it and do a little comparison between the two. Yeah, good looking stuff. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in to this unboxing. Thanks again to my buddy Nor for bringing sending these in for the channel for review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.